Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data and opening elevated tools. Backup crucial documents, then launch command prompt as administrator so commands can modify system files. Once done, run dism restore health to repair the Windows image. This fixes component store corruption before file checks. Make sure you have a stable internet connection because dism may download replacement files. Close running applications so files aren't locked and you avoid partial repairs. This prepares the system for the next integrity sweep. Now execute the core repair sequence. First dism/online/cleanup image/restore health to replace corrupted components in the component store. After dism completes, run sfc/scano to scan and restore protected system files from the repaired image. If sfc reports fixes, reboot immediately to apply changes. If it reports unrepairable files, examine the CBS log to identify specific files. Make sure to run these commands without interruption, and note any error codes. Finish by verifying system stability. Reboot into normal mode and run a quick SFC to confirm no remaining corruption. If problems continue, perform an in-place upgrade repair or restore to a known good system restore point. These options replace system files without wiping data. One key troubleshooting tip: if dism or SFC cannot fix files, boot to safe mode or a clean boot and repeat the commands because background services can block repairs. Keep backups handy in case you must rebuild the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.